What's up, road warriors? Welcome back to Braking Lanes, where we live for the rumble of the engine, the wind in our face, and the freedom of the open road. Today I'm hitting you with 10 badass tips to make your long motorcycle rides epic and comfortable, straight up unforgettable. These aren't your grandpa's touring tips. These are for riders who crave adventure and want to do it in style. So grab your gear, fire up your bike, and let's dive in. Crack of dawn kickoff. Start your ride at the crack of dawn, guys. There's nothing like rolling out as the sun paints the sky orange. It's pure magic. Plus, you'll beat the traffic, enjoy cooler temps, and have the road to yourself. Pro move? Brew a cup of coffee at camp and sit while you watch the world wake up. Trust me, it's the vibe. Tip number 2, dress like you're ready for anything. Mother Nature's unpredictable, so layer up with breathable gear that's got vents for hot days and liners for chilly nights. I rock a modular helmet with a flip-up sun visor. Boom! Instant shade when the sun's ablaze. So guys, this is why I like this helmet so much. I can stop anywhere and I don't have to fully take my helmet off. I can gas station, stoplight, stopping off for 2 minutes, and I'm nice and cool still. Don't forget to check the forecast, but always pack a lightweight rain suit. Nothing kills the vibe like being soaked 200 miles from home. I always roll with this lightweight rain suit. It saved me in many occasions, and you know what? It fits right in my bag. Easy peasy. Number 3, camp like a boss. Talk about not necessarily going camping, but having the option to do so if you find a truly magical spot. If you're on a 2-week adventure, embrace the wild and pack camping gear. A compact tent, an air mattress for legit sleep, and a sleeping bag are must-haves. But the real game changer? This Helinox chair. It's lightweight, packs small, and lets you kick back like royalty at camp. After a long day in the saddle, you'll thank me when you're chilling by a fire instead of sitting on a rock. Guys, your tushy deserves a better treatment than the curb or the grass. This chair, total game changer. So when I go on my adventures, I don't always necessarily have to go camping, but I will pack the camping essentials anyways, just because if I ever roll up on a really nice spot, I want the option to just be able to stay there instead of trailing back out of there. So that's just me. You guys do you. I recommend it though. Tip number 4, pack smart. Because let's be real, bikes ain't got a lot of trunk space. Every item's gotta earn its spot. Think multi-use. Duct tape fixes gear and holds stuff together. A multi-tool is your roadside MacGyver, and baby wipes, they clean your face shield, your hands, and let's just say they save you from swampy situations. Pack light, leave space for souvenirs, and plan ahead so you're not stuck hauling extra weight. So just today I picked up this Kriga Roll Pack 20 black multicam version, and I guess what I'll be doing with this is I'll keep it inside my box. It really doesn't take up that much space. Look at that. Look, it's so thin and it just rolls up. Now I got another bag that I can just strap down on top of here. And now these lashes, they lash it down to the bike. It is a dry pack, can fit, and this will just go across. It fits in just like that, right? So yeah, plan multi-use for the things that you bring. Think like multiples of things, like even shoes. I'll carry slippers, sandals, and shoes all in one. So I only have to bring like 2 pairs, the ones that I'm wearing and the ones that I relax in, without socks, I guess. Tip number 5, stay rested and razor sharp. Long rides demand focus, so get solid sleep before you roll out. Check your bike before you leave. Tires, brakes, oil, chain, the works. Pro tip, carry a portable tire inflator that doubles as a battery bank. It's a lifesaver if your tire is low or your phone is dead. A quick stretch every couple of hours Keeps you loose like a goose. And more importantly, more alert. Fatigue is the enemy, don't let it win. Tip number 6, get a cup holder. I'm not kidding, I keep it in my box here. I used to stuff my coffee in my boxes or my bag, and spoil alert, obviously it's gonna spill. Or I tried one-hand riding, which don't try that at home. I cruise to a scenic spot, park by the water, and sip in peace. You know, grab one of these, you'll thank me later. Thank you. Tip number 7, mount a phone cradle for your navigation. Apps like Waze are clutch for dodging traffic, finding gas stations, or getting speed trap alerts. Crucial if you're a bit of a speed demon. Keep your phone secure and visible so you're not fumbling around at 70 miles an hour. Bonus, it's perfect for filming those Instagram roadworthy shots. Also, maybe get a cradle with a wireless charging option, because when you do run your phone on here, it tends to burn the battery a lot faster. I guess because the sun hitting the phone, it jacks up the brightness of your phone. So get a wireless charging or use a USB. Tip number 8, level up your ride with a Bluetooth comm system. Crank a killer playlist, dive into an audiobook, or take calls without pulling over. It's a total vibe shift, plus you'll hear Waze alerts loud and clear. I've had rides where a good song turned a boring stretch into an epic movie montage. Just keep the volume safe so you're still in tune with the road. Tip number 9, ditch those boots. Riding boots are great, but after hours on the bike, your feet need a break. Pack lightweight slipper shoes that double as camp kicks or quick stop footwear. They're compact, comfy, and let you chill without feeling like you're still in battle armor. Your toes will thank you. Trust me on that one. Tip number 10, chase the fun. Above all, have fun, guys. Motorcycling is the ultimate lifestyle. Freedom, adventure, and stories you'll tell for years. Chase sunsets, hunt for weird roadside diners, or just soak in the hum of your bike. Plan a stargazing stop with a blanket and a star map app for a moment that'll hit you right in the soul. This is why we ride, so make every mile count. There you have it, riders. 10 tips that make your long rides epic, comfy, and full of stories. Which one are you gonna try first? Drop it in the comments down below and let me know your own road trip hacks. If you love this, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out our next adventure. Until then, keep the rubber side down and ride safe. Catch you on the road. Peace.